Hello and welcome to Flying Dutchman, Unit 1146. This wonderful 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom Keystone condo has vaulted ceilings. It's very sunny and bright. In the last year or so, they have done a lot of upgrades, including new flooring, new furniture. They brought gas to the fireplace. They have all new windows and doors, meaning the sliding glass door. And you really get the feeling that you're in a cabin in the woods with this unit. This is the first bedroom. Nice large closet. Spacious entryway, room for your boots and everything else. Nice kitchenette. There is tons of storage underneath these stairs. It does go on all the way underneath. And the second bedroom does not have a door, but it also doesn't overhang the living room or anything like that. Flying Dutchman is a great complex. It does have indoor hot tubs and an outdoor heated pool. It's on the bus line and just minutes away from Mountain House Lift. Thank you.